The project name is Atomic Deficiency Detection using image processing and convolution neural network. So, yeah, the user first will upload the images like facial images or skin related images, and later it will be analyzed by the image processing technologies. So, here this CNN module will be trained on the medical images. So, it is easy to identify the deficiency. After this process, it will provide some real-time feedbacks like an report. So this is the efficiency tool for easily detecting, and it is so benefit for the patient to identify the what deficiency it is. I will show the code. This is training the model. So we are inputting necessary libraries like SQL, Keras, NumPy, Flow, like that. So this scikit-learn for the loading the data set, and this keras for deep learning utilities, and this numpy for handling the numerical operators, and globe for the file path. So we have four classes in path. It is finding the locations of the data, and we are defining one function to load the train, test, and the validation data sets. So here we are loading images and the corresponding labels. So we are using two categorical. It will convert the label to one not encoding. And then we are loading the train, test, and validation datasets. So we are getting the burn classes. So burn classes is nothing but it extracts the categories names from the folders. So and then we are displaying total number of images and total number of training images, total number of testing images. So here we are encoding images by the TensorFlow keras pre-processing. So this is nothing but we are defining two function, path to tensor, paths to tensor. Here only single image can convert, here multiple image can convert. First it load the RGB images as still image, and it will convert to 3D, and it will convert to 4D, same as here. And we are importing errors time set. So this is the graph. It will show the output. And here pre-processing the keras, data for the keras. And then we are normalizing by dividing 255, which is nothing but the pixel value between the zeros and ones. And we are defining the module. For that, we are importing this. And we are compiling the module and train the training data. So this is the CNN. We are modeling it to sequential, which is create the convolution neural networking to classify the images. At last, we are plotting the training and validation accuracy over the epochs, and then finally it will display the accuracy. At last, we are saving that module. So this is the training code. This is the text code. First, we need to import the required libraries. Here we are importing NLTK. NLTK is nothing but natural language toolkits for it is for the text processing. And here we are initialing the lemmatizer. So it is used for the processing text, and we are loading the modules and the data. It is the function to generate the summaries. So by using the keyword, we are creating one function. As function name is generate summary. So we are creating one frequent table here. At last, we will calculate the average values of sentence, and it will store into the summaries. And then we are cleaning up the sentence. So the tokenize and lemmatize the work. It returns the clean the list. After that, we are converting that sentence to the bag of words. So here it initializes the zero vectors for the words and it returns in the array forms. This is for the predicting class. So converting sentence to the bag of words and it will predict the probabilities using the loaded modules. So after that, it will filter the results based on that probability threshold. Based on this threshold, it will filter the results. And we are generating chat box response. So after that, we are running one main loop. Continuously, the user can enter the symptoms until they type they exist. This process will be continued and then it will be displayed. So now I will run that app. So by using Flask, we are created a web application. In Python, we are using Flask the applications. Just I will run the code. So this is the app for the vitamin deficiency. This is for about pages, and this is for contact. If we need any reasons, we can contact it, and we can write some messages here to contact. So after clicking submit form, email is sent successfully. So first of all, we need to detect. So here we need to upload images. So first it will ask login. Before I log in it, so it now it didn't ask. So after uploading this, it showing some results. So the predicted class is vitamin B. So like this, the code will be run. So like this, if we enter some data, it will give some informations.